In this video we're going to be installing a Ubiquiti Unifi InWall access point. In this particular example we're doing it as a retrofit, replacing an existing Ethernet socket with the InWall access point. The InWall access points are powered by Power over Ethernet, and we have a PoE switch at the other end of the cable. In this particular example we're using a Ubiquiti Unifi USA 150 watt switch. The first thing to do is unscrew and remove the existing socket. Once we've unscrewed the socket, we'll pull out the cables and see how much slack we have to work with. In this example, we have two cables. One is a Cat5 cable, the other one is a coax. We're not going to be using the coax, so we'll fold that back into the box. In this example, the client had external Cat5 installed in the house. It's not clear why, but it does mean that there are two sheaths, so we have to strip back the first external sheath and then the second one. Once we've stripped back the cable, we separate and straighten out the pairs and cut out the pull cord. Once the pairs are separated, we cut them straight and insert them into the RJ45 connector. In this example, we're using a pass-through connector. Now we're ready to start installing the Ubiquiti Unifi InWall access point. The first stage is to install the backplate. This is relatively simple, but please note that the screws provided with the backplate don't always fit the back boxes, so either use your own or in this case use the screws that we use for the existing socket. The final stage is to plug the cable into the back of the access point, insert it onto the wall plate and put on the cover. When you're fitting the cover, make sure you start at the top, and when you're putting in the bottom, make sure that it's not stuck on the outside. It may require a gentle tap. And there you have it, the Unifi InWall access point installed and ready to be configured. Thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and like and comment if you have any questions.